What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. I'm gonna go over friend Turbo. Went through the ABC correction, sitting at 0.006, up about 6% on the day. Market cap 376 million. 24-hour volume 169 million. So we are looking for potential. We had signals that we'd come down in a wave C. We broke out a little bit to the upside of this triangle, which was a bull trap, and then we dumped down. It's perfectly healthy, guys. Turbo went on an absolutely insane run, and now we're going through a correction. This is what happens in the financial markets, especially with the volatility of cryptocurrency. All the people that are saying Turbo's dead, why is it dumping, they all bought right up at the top. They're all the dumb money, and they're all the guys that are saying it's going to zero right now. When we dumped on Friday, I bought more Turbo right around this area, 0.0049. And if we come down, which we may, and break this low, I'll be buying even more Turbo, because that's what the smart money does. It buys the fear. The dumb money, it buys the greed, and then they complain and say Turbo is going to zero when it corrects. And the smart money, we see the dump, we buy. You know, we come down lower, we buy more, we dollar cost average. So we had the 5-way move to the upside, now going through an ABC correction. I think there may be a chance that we end up breaking this low at 0.00043, and potentially we could come down to 0.0038740, which is the golden ratio, before bouncing to the upside. However, if Bitcoin continues up from here, then we could see continuation for Turbo. That's why I decided to buy some right here. If we come lower, I'll buy again. But as of right now, a wave C has 5 waves. So what you could be looking at for the wave C is that's your wave 1 down, that's a wave 2 pullback. Potentially this could be the 3, and then you ABC, that's a 3-wave move, which is corrective, and a 4, and then come down in a wave 5. Or we've already completed the 5-wave move right here, and you're starting the impulse. But the problem is this is only 3 waves up, which usually signals that you're still going through a correction. So that's what I'm looking at for Turbo. If we are able to put in a 5-wave move, if you see us push up and create one more high like this, then you have a 5-wave move. Then you have 1, 2, 3, pull back in a deep 4, never broke into the 1, and then pushed up into 5. And then you could get bullish and say, okay, we're going to pull back and then see continuation back to the upside. But as of right now, we have 3 waves, so we could definitely still correct, end up breaking that low, come down to the golden ratio before bouncing to the upside. But I did give you guys that target, as we've already completed a massive 5-wave move to the upside, which is a wave 1. So all you have to do, take a trend-based fib extension from the bottom of that impulse to the top. I'm gonna have to open this up, and let's say we finish the correction. Oh, come on, bruh, this is gonna be a mess. We finished the correction at that low here. I'm just gonna make it more visible for you guys. Open, open, open. Let's say we finish the correction at that wick low, then you'd push up. So basically off that bear market low, beautiful 5-wave move, wave 1, a nice wave 2 pullback, and then you push up in your largest wave of the bull market, which is the wave 3, which would take Turbo all the way up. The target would be the 1.618, the 161.8, which is coming in at 0.020. We knock off a 0 for Turbo. I do think we are very likely to reach that target. Right now we're going through correction. We're going through a buying opportunity. So try to be the smart money and don't be the dumb money. And that's how you make bank. That's how you stack cash in a bull market. As you buy the correction, you buy these dips, and you sell when it's pumping. You don't buy it when it's pumping way up here. You wait for it to pull back. All right, gang, but I've been in the game for a while. When I was a newbie, I used to buy it up here thinking it was just going to shoot straight up, and we'd see a huge correction, and I was like, what the hell? Why I'm losing all my money? But you live and you learn. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. If you sign up through my link, top of the comments, you get 10% back on every single trade. For your fees, you get 10% back on your fees. Every single trade, sign up through my link. Send me an email once you make your first deposit. It can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. And I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms. I did get stopped out last week on that dump, but sometimes that's the way it goes. Crypto trades, Forex trades. Here's the monthly results for May You can pause the screen to take a look. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.